spread love, it's the Brooklyn way.
Hello viewer, KGR. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, you're quite welcome. If you're a return customer, I appreciate you. Let's share love in Brooklyn way. That's the way we do it. Takes one to know one, takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. You better believe it. There is nothing like I'm a self-made millionaire. You don't someone help you to get there. That's what I say. That's what I believe. Please support your boy, subscribe, and anything you can help me to continue to climb this mountain that I'm climbing. I will appreciate you. Having said that, I've been working on this 2012. It's a Dodge Journey. We're going to be replacing the Radiator. It's a 2.4 liter. In Africa, we say Radiator. What? So you have to pronounce all the syllables. But in America, I say Radiator. So this is the Radiator that we're going to be replacing it with. She bought it from the internet, I believe. That's the guy right there. So we're going to go to work. So what we need the radiator, you need a 2 antifreeze. And let's go ahead and do this job, see what it takes to do it. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere and don't skip the commercial. That is a joke. KG, let's go. We're getting it right now. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take off this pin right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll take off this guy, but this guy has to come out. That's the way we're gonna do this job. So let me grab some tools and we'll take it from there. All right, so there's a 5 pin here, like I said before. Just yank this thing out like this. Always make sure you have something handy that you'll be looking for those stuff when you're ready to put those things back. The last thing you want to do is start looking for stuff. It's always good. You can have like a magnet, span, all the good stuff. So just like so, this one is I'm going to pull this guy. So there's a pin right here, right? So here's the pin. It's a little false, just be mindful so you don't break anything. So that thing goes right underneath here. You know, like you come from one side and you go from the other side. So we're gonna lose this bolt right here. I'm gonna push this guy back because there's a pin right there. I'll push this guy back, take off that pin, take off that one. The same way on this side. This one don't have pin over here. Just take off that, then we'll bring this guy out completely. Then we'll continue. So make sure this pin right, look like alligator pin. Make sure you don't spider. Make sure you don't lose it because you're going to be using that. So then now you're going to take off this thing right here. And there's another one right here. There's 2. Taking off already, then you can I didn't see that one. That was a blind spot right there. So there's 2 on this side and 1 on the other side. So we should be able to read it right now. I don't see anything right. Nice coming. There we go. guys out. That one on side. I'm trying to go through not to lose the freon, you know, so we can separate this guy just like that. I don't even know if this car have a freon or not, but that's what we're trying to do. Alright, so that one is loose now. This one is just a bracket. A bracket that holds this in here to the right here. Just a bracket. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect some hoses here. Take out this guy and take out this guy. There's a 10 bolt right here, and there's another one right here, so we can take off this whole wall. It's not a 10, it's a 8. It's a 10. I went to play soccer on Saturday. So it's a little bit sore. Okay, so now I can take all this stuff down. Put this guy. Do we have to disconnect this? I don't know. See if we can put this guy right here. Okay. That's come here now. Probably how to disconnect that. If I disconnect this one, so how to disconnect this guy, how to put this back. Yeah, there's a lot of windshield wash here. I don't want to lose all of that, but put it right here. Alright, let me bring the camera. So we're gonna take off this guy right here, this hose. Take off this, and there's one on the bottom there too. I'm gonna take off that. All right. So once you take off that, so there's like a little clip right here. This thing clips over here. Take it off so you can move it to the side. So the most difficult part of this job is gonna be this hose right here. Because the clamp is facing underneath right there, and you see the spot there is very tight, so that's going to be the most difficult on this job. How do I get there? See right there, the clamp is underneath right there. See, right underneath. If the clamp was up here, it'd be better, but it's underneath there. So I'm going to fight my way through that now. See how I'm going to get that hose out. Alright, KG. So I was able to take off that hose out. Let me show you what I did. This is the hose, because the radiator was leaking, so the lady just put water on it. There's water in there. I'll show you what I I did. So this is what I did, right? I use this guy right here. This is the guy that I use. Just use it to grip it. You can see there's something that's still like, as soon as I press it, there's something just locked. So I was able to snake it out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to put a little grippy plier on it, just to hold it. Then when I'm ready to put it back, I'm just gonna put just lock it the same way. But when you're putting it back, you don't want something to snap. You know, so I have to do this like this. Like this a little bit more. So that when I want to put it back, it's more easy. So you can do this just like that. You leave it on it so that when you want to put it back, that's what I'm doing. But we're not ready to put it back here. I just want to show you what I did and how I get to that place. That one is there, so that's the most difficult one right there now. So now we're going to go ahead and lose another bolt right here. And KG, we're doing it. It's hard to video. So there's a 10mm bolt right here. See where my tooth is? That we need to take out. So I'm using 1/4, fit very well, because sometimes you want to use a bigger, like 3/8, might be jamming on the wall there. So I'm using a 1/4. So we're going to take off this guy right now. Sorry. This thing is hard to read. So that's the 10 bolt right there, talking about. So right there, very long bolt. Alright, we'll continue. Alright, so we're going to come right here now, disconnect this horn. I'll take off this 10. All this 10 off. Back here, so that's one of the surplus bolts there. And the volunteer to sponsor my video. We gotta move this one this way like this without breaking anything. That's our goal, you know. So there's a little, like a squeeze top there. And, that's all we need. Let's squeeze up this guy. We're gonna hold that thing there like that. You know, we're getting there, okay. So once you take all of that in the front there, see there's a clip right here, right? You gotta take off that, and there's another one on this side too. You gotta squeeze that. The same thing right here. I hope I catch that. Right there. Squeeze that. That will release the radiator. Okay? Let me do that. Alright, so once you release that tab now, the radiator should be able to be free now. So the only thing we have to do now, we're gonna play the wiggle game. We're gonna play the wiggle game now. There we go. So we go get I was playing there. I got it. There we go. There we go. Here comes the bad boy. Bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? See this guy?
Boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
So the condenser sits on this guy right here. So it's like a clip. You know, so radiator is out. So the radiator is like something that goes in here. I'll show you in a little while. And bring the camera so that you guys will see what I'm talking about. Bring the camera down. Please bear with me. So when you look down here, make sure that I get it for you. Okay. When you look down here, right? See this hole right there? That's where the radiator is gonna sit. See right there? That hole right there. That's where the bag will sit. So we're gonna come to this side. I'm just gonna show you. See right there? Sorry. A little baking and shaking there. Right here. So that's where the boy sits. So we're just gonna mash it up now, make sure they're the same, and then start to put it back. If you look right here, this is where the radiator was leaking, right here. So when I was taking the hose off, the top hose, this part the thing just broke off. So you can see. See, anytime radiator is leaking, it show you like a white spot. You can see all the it was drilling down this white spot right there. So you look at the other side, it's different, right? So that's it. So let's open up this. Make sure we have the same thing should already come there. Internet, whatnot, Amazon. I don't know. I know we have what. So long as it's the same. So let me plug up that and make sure that we have the same thing. Alright, so let's cut this off. Everything look the same. Look the same to me. Yeah, the same thing too. Right? Yeah. So there you have it, gentlemen. So now we're gonna walk our way back in there. Like I said before, the hardest part was this guy right here. That was the hardest. It's doable. Patient and all of that. So I'm gonna take off this so I can put this clip right here to tie the 10 bolts. It's gonna go in there. So this one is a slider. Slider right here. one, but I just say go with this old one. It looks a little bigger, so it might be more easy for me to use that. Different, but let me see if I pull this old one, if I can be able to see the hole. I see the hole good, but if I don't have a problem. See, you can see the hole really clear. So I'll go with the old one. So now we're gonna fight our way back here. Bring the camera. Fight our way back here now. Put the camera like this. Sorry, the wind is blowing. That's one of the things I cannot control. I don't have power to do that. Only Jesus was able to rebuke the wind. If not, KG will say, I rebuke you right now. The wind will stop blowing. So there ain't nothing going in here. It's just a rubber down there. So we're just going to go in here. Just be mindful. Side is in, just this side is still on here. Alright, see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying there? I'll bring you guys back. So this side, right down there is what's giving me problem. On this side we're good. So let me fight with it. When you get it in, so this is what you're gonna be looking for. I finally got it through. You see that right there? That's the clip. You have to make sure that bad boy come all the way down to lock. And we're gonna come to the other side. So what I did was I put this side first. Make sure I get it for you. Alright, see right there? That's the boy right there. See? Yeah, make sure that clip come correctly in. See, once it come in, then it's gonna lock. It's like a push lock. See, that's what lock the radiator, because the radiator doesn't really have anything for you to screw it down. So that's just a lock right there. So once you put that, then everything is good. Then you put this bolt there. Then have this bolt, I mean this one right there. Put this bolt right there. Then we got it. Everything looks good. So you can now come to the back here now. You can just push this one in. This one is a push in. Just set that, line it up like this. So that one is easy to do. So once you push it in, make sure you put this bolt right there. See that bolt right there? That's what's holding this guy to the radiator. Once you do that, push all this pin in there, So our greatest challenge now, we're gonna go back in here now to put that hose right there. You remember? So that hose there, I hold it with a clamp right here like this. So hopefully we'll be successful. See right there. So we're gonna try to put that back in there, just like that. All right, let me go ahead and do that. I can't use my one hand. Oh, you guys see what I'm doing there. So what I did was I turned the clamp. I turned it up to a little bit like what do I call that? Like about 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock right there. So I turned it sideways a little bit because the clamp was already hooked, so it was free, so I can be able to just put the hose. But to release this now, I couldn't put my gripping plier there, so I just turned it to about 9 o'clock there. Then I, use the thing to grab it right there. You can see right here. See, it was more easier for me to just go in there, push it, and you have to make sure you use your hand to check it, make sure it's tight. All right. So that part there was the hardest, so we're just gonna go ahead and now put this guy back. Put the hose. Go like this. Upside down. Sometimes when the job become a little tougher, I don't even know where the gloves are. I just put the gloves Alright, so that's pretty much that. So we're gonna put this guy back in here now. Put this back in. So this one right here, we might have to put make sure don't lose that thing there. Put the pin in and then try to push the tin in. Put the pin in right there. Get a snap in right there. Push it like that. Both in. That's it. Once they're in, just put this guy back. Put this bolt there. Then we're gonna put the bolt that's supposed to go there. Oh, that's a good. No. It is looking for both now. Tell me what's supposed to be. Straight bolts. Oh, I think I found it. There's one right here. And there were two on the other other side. Yes, remember. Laugh for yourself. I'm the one at the bottom there. That was the one that I made look properly. I was thinking just too cool. I was dead wrong. So that's it. We'll go in there, tie this for the boat. Okay, so now we're gonna push this. Don't forget, when you do that, once that guy go in there, see this guy, it's very important, which I'm about to show you. See this, once this guy is in, then you bring this guy back. This is to protect it from that pin on snapping back. But the last thing you want to do is start licking now. You don't want that. Bring this guy back, snap this guy back in. There we go. See, that's the toughest, and everything is going on beautiful now. So the next thing, we're just gonna bring the hose, the top hose now, put that, we didn't touch the fan. Bring this top hose now. We'll put that in there and there. I should do it. This guy. Yep. Push this guy in here. So this guy right here goes on over here to clip. So we can put this one first. There we go. Just push this one down. That's it. Open this guy up now. This hose is coming here. There's a water in that reservoir there. I have to throw that water out. Let me tie this guy now. I use an 8 flat to take out this guy. It was difficult for me to get my tools in there, so I use an 8 flat. Yeah, use an 8 flat to do that. To show that now. You guys saw what I did. I'll bring you guys back. So at this junction, we put this already. So we're gonna put the air box, and we'll wrap up this thing. My battery is dying anyway. So this guy go like this. There's just a tool hole right here. It goes underneath right here, like this. Anybody can do that, I believe. It says so. Questions on what to do. So now we'll put this guy in here, just like so. Then put this cover back in there. This one has 2 clips. Clip the first one, clip the second one. Then we'll put this guy right here. There's a connector coming right here. Then there's a bolt coming right here. Just like that, voila. That's it. The whole thing is done. We'll put some antifreeze on the car. We'll start the car. One thing I'll advise you, right? Don't put this front grille yet, right? Don't put this grille yet. It's just my advice. If you want to do yours in a different way, that's fine with me. Don't put the. I'm not going to put the grille yet because I want to start the car first. Make sure I check it. There's no leak. Once there's no leak, that one is easy to put anyway. So that's it. So we're going to cut this video and we'll bring you back on the other side. KG, make sure you subscribe. So I just started the car, so I'm going to leave it to idle so you can get all the bubbles out. You can see the radiator is sitting down there quietly. Everything is intact, beautiful. Nice job, we didn't break anything. It's gonna run a little bit, then I'll just go ahead and put this one back just quick, so I'm not gonna show that. So leave it for now, let it bubble. Get out the bubble at kg, job is done. Oh, there you have it, folks. So next time you need to change your radiator, you know what to do. Questions, comments, let's get to it. Like I always say, I'm here to help you, you're here to help me too. How do you help me? By subscribing, like the video, also share the video, keep the notification button up. Next time I load the video, you will be the first to know. Having said that, I will see you on my next episode. KG is signing out. Peace. Love you all. We are gone.